In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create polls with Gravity Forms in just 5 minutes. Whether you're gathering feedback, making decisions, or simply engaging your audience, polls are a fantastic tool. Let's dive right into the process, starting with accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged into your WordPress site, locate the menu on the left-hand side. In this menu, find Forms and hover over it. A submenu will appear, select add-ons. This area is your gateway to enhancing Gravity Forms capabilities by integrating additional features, such as polls. Now once you're in the add-ons section, you'll need to find the polls add-on. Scroll through the list if needed, and once you spot it, click on Install. After that, click Activate to set it up for use. Activating this add-on will allow you to seamlessly integrate polling functionalities into your forms, expanding the ways you can connect with those engaging with your site. With the polls add-on now active, the next step involves deciding whether to work with an existing form or to create a new one. For this tutorial you can do either, but make sure you have a plan for your poll's purpose. Navigate to your form editor in Gravity Forms, the main workspace where all the magic happens. Inside the form editor, take a look at the tabs on the right. You'll want to navigate to the Advanced Fields tab. This is where you'll find the option to add more complex fields to your forms, including the poll field that we'll focus on. Next, scroll through the advanced fields until you see the poll field. You can either click on it to add it directly to your form, or if you prefer you can click and drag it to the desired spot within your form layout. Both methods are quick and easy, allowing you to customize the placement as you see fit. Once the poll field is in your form, it's time to tweak its settings. Click on the field, and a settings menu will pop up. Here you can configure how the poll looks and functions. Consider the questions you're asking and how you want participants to interact with your poll. Tailor these settings to best fit your needs. After you've fine-tuned your poll, don't forget to save your form. This action ensures all your configurations are applied and kept intact. Saving your work frequently is always a good habit, preventing any unexpected loss of progress. Finally, to share your poll with your audience, embed the form on the desired page or post within your site. You can do this either by using the Gravity Forms shortcode or by placing it directly with your block editor. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate your poll wherever it makes the most impact. And there you have it, your poll is ready to go live, and you're equipped to start engaging with your audience in new and insightful ways. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.